Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through on how to cancel auto renewal on Glow. So to cancel auto renewal on Glow, follow these simple steps. And in this video, I actually have two methods at which you can use to cancel the auto renewal on Glow. So let's get started. So the first thing is to use the SMS method. So open your messaging app on your device, then type in this prompt, which is cancel to 127. Then you receive a notification message that auto renew has been stopped. Then the other method is to use the USSD code dialer. So to do that, just open your phone app, which is your dialer, then type in *777# on your Glow line, then select the data option. Then from there, choose manage data plan or cancel auto renewal, depending on the menu option. Then after that, follow the prompt to confirm your cancellation. And that's a simple step-by-step guide on how you can simply cancel auto renewal on Glow. Find the video helpful, turn on the notification button and follow for more.